Essential connectors for DELF B1 with examples.
1. D'abord.
First of all.
D'abord, il faut comprendre le problème avant de chercher une solution.
First of all, we must understand the problem before looking for a solution.
2. Ensuite.
Then, next.
Je vais faire mes devoirs, ensuite je regarderai un film.
I will do my homework, then I will watch a movie.
3. Enfin.
Finally.
Enfin, après des heures d'attente, nous avons pu entrer dans le musée.
Finally, after hours of waiting, we were able to enter the museum.
4. De plus.
Moreover, in addition.
Il est très intelligent. De plus, il travaille dur.
He is very intelligent. Moreover, he works hard.
5. En revanche.
On the other hand.
Il aime le sport. En revanche, il déteste courir.
He likes sports. On the other hand, he hates running.
6. Par contre.
However, on the other hand.
Il n'aime pas lire. Par contre, il adore écouter des histoires.
He doesn't like reading. However, he loves listening to stories.
7. Donc.
So, therefore.
Il pleut, donc nous restons à la maison.
It's raining, so we are staying at home.
8. C'est pourquoi.
That's why.
Il a raté son train. C'est pourquoi il est en retard.
He missed his train. That's why he is late.
9. Parce que.
Because.
Je ne peux pas venir parce que je suis malade.
I can't come because I am sick.
10. Bien que.
Although, even though.
Bien qu'il fasse froid, nous allons sortir.
Although it is cold, we are going out.
11. Cependant.
However, nevertheless.
Ce film est intéressant. Cependant, il est un peu long.
This movie is interesting. However, it is a bit long.
12. Néanmoins.
Nevertheless, still.
Il n'a pas bien étudié. Néanmoins, il a réussi son examen.
He didn't study well. Nevertheless, he passed his exam.
13. Pourtant.
Yet, however.
Il a tout pour être heureux. Pourtant, il se sent seul.
He has everything to be happy. Yet, he feels lonely.
14. En effet.
Indeed, actually.
Il est fatigué. En effet, il a travaillé toute la nuit.
He is tired. Indeed, he worked all night.
15. À cause de.
Because of.
À cause de la pluie, le match a été annulé.
Because of the rain, the match was cancelled.
16. Grâce à.
Thanks to.
Grâce à son aide, j'ai réussi mon projet.
Thanks to his help, I completed my project.